Good morning to all students. In this lecture, we would be discussing on one of the topic of fluid dynamics is viscosity. As we all know that the concept of viscosity, which means the branch of physics which deals with the fluids like gases, liquids in motion, it is called as hydrodynamics. The study of fluids in motion is very complex compared to that of solids. Hence, to understand the dynamics of a fluid, the laws of mechanics are applied to the fluid as a whole. Generally, a fluid which is highly incompressible and non-viscous in nature, that is treated as ideal fluid. For example, if a fluid flows in such a way that its velocity at a given point is always the same in magnitude and direction, then the fluid is said to have streamline motion. Streamline motion means, for example, fish, it is straight path, that is streamline motion or streamline flow. It is orderly, called as steady flow or orderly flow of liquids. Consider any tube, its area of cross section A1, velocity V1. Similarly, for that is for initial case, and final is with respect to area of cross section A2, V2. Then from both the cases, initial and final velocities V1 and V2 be the corresponding velocities, A1 and A2 be the corresponding cross section of different position of a tube. Then similarly, that condition, that is right, A1 V1 equals A2 V2. See, this is known as equation of continuity. In the examination, it could be asked for 2 marks. Write the expression for equation of continuity. You can write A1 V1 equals A2 V2, where A1 and A2 are cross sections at different position of a tube, and V1 V2 be the corresponding velocities. For example, see this is tube. So this is V1 velocity, initial velocity. Write this one as initial velocity, V1 V2. So corresponding area, that is A1 A2. See, in both the case, this one is initial and final velocity, and area of cross section remains constant. This constant, that is known as equation of continuity. A1 V1 equals A2 V2. So this is equation of continuity. The meaning of viscosity is the property of a fluid by virtue of its which tends to resist the relative motion between different layers of its fluid is called viscosity. For example, high viscous liquid like castor oil, and low viscous like coconut oil, any kind of oil. Low viscous because it moves little bit faster than castor oil. That property is it resists the relative motion. That is known as viscosity. Then coefficient of viscosity. See, this is for 2 marks question. Define viscosity, that is also 2 marks, and define coefficient of viscosity, that could be asked for 2 marks question. Define coefficient of viscosity means you can directly write formula and explain each term. F equals minus neta A dV by dx. Here experiments have shown that the tangential force acting on any layer of the liquid is directly proportional to its area. directly proportional to its area and velocity gradient. One is, see, you can observe that neta is a constant, that is called as coefficient of viscosity. See, from F is tangential dragging force, that is F. N is coefficient of viscosity, A is the area, dV by dx is velocity gradient. Here one observation, you can observe that here negative sign. Why? F equals minus, from the expression you can observe that negative sign, because here negative sign indicates that the viscous force is in a opposite direction to the motion of the liquid. Here it is opposite direction, that is relative motion between the fluid. Then consider, for example, consider area of cross section is 1. If area of cross section is 1, right, see, dV by dx equals 1, A equals 1. Finally you get, take magnitude here, magnitude modulus you can take, you get F equals neta. A equals 1, dV by dx equals 1, which means F equals neta. Therefore, coefficient of viscosity may be generally defined as F is equal to tangential force per unit area required to maintaining velocity gradient. Here one more factor is, that is dimensional formula for coefficient of viscosity. See how to define neta. Neta equals, take cross multiplication, force divided by A into dV by dx. Same formula, you can rearrange this one. Then force equals, right, m divided by L is meter, dV by dx is velocity, right, in terms of t. That is neta equals m divided by Lt. This can also be written as T. It goes to numerator. That gives m L minus 1 T minus 1. See, this is coefficient of viscosity. Here only 2 marks question, what is viscosity, then define coefficient of viscosity. Viscosity means the property of a liquid by virtue of its, which tends to resist the relative motions between different layers of its motion, liquid motion, that is called as viscosity. Then equation of continuity is A1 V1 equals A2 V2. You can define A1 V1 are initial velocity and area of cross sections of tube, and final velocity and area of cross section of tube. Then coefficient of viscosity means, you can write F equals minus neta A dV by dx. Here tangential dragging force is directly proportional to area of cross section and velocity constant. That proportionality constant is known as here coefficient of viscosity factor, that is neta. And then finally the dimensional formula for coefficient of viscosity is m L minus 1 T minus 1. So this is the discussion of viscosity and other terms today. Next class we will discuss about Poiseuille formula for the steady rate of flow of a liquid in a horizontal capillary tube. That is 7 marks derivation part. We will discuss later. Thank you.